Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. In this short video, I'm going to show you guys how people have been making money online using Fiverr and a free Facebook account. This is something that I did when I first created my Fiverr account. I created a gig where I would share any type of website, any link to Facebook groups, and I would charge anywhere from $5 to $15 to post to a whole bunch of Facebook group members. And it is super simple to do, and it got a lot of orders because there's such a big market out there for website traffic. So many people have business related websites, affiliate marketing websites. There's websites about anything. And the number one problem with website owners is they can't get traffic to their sites. And sharing links to Facebook is a great way to increase traffic to your website. I'm going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, how you can be the middleman for website traffic and website owners. So I went on Fiverr and I typed in Facebook share, and I want to show you guys a couple Fiverr gigs where they're just absolutely killing it using a free Facebook account. So this one, I will share your link to 500k Facebook fans. This is the standard package right here. It's $10. The basic is $5, and the premium is $15. So I'm going to do some math here. If 187 people ordered the basic gig, it would be $935. I'm smart. I'm just kidding. I had it written down back here. But anyways, that's $935 just from the people that have reviewed it. Keep in mind, not everyone reviews the gigs that they order. So it's safe to say maybe a little over half the people actually leave reviews. So that's $937. Let's say that they ordered the $10 package. That's $1,870. In my Fiverr training, I show you guys how you can post to this many Facebook members just by posting in groups. So that's one of them. And then the second one that I wanted to show you guys was I will share, advertise, or promote your business website product to my 2,500 friends on Facebook for 3 days, and I will post your link in a website. If you guys have a Facebook account with over 2,000 friends, you can make money just by posting to that Facebook account. I know a lot of you guys are probably friends with family and stuff, and you don't really want to get spammy with them, but it's just simple stuff like this. And he doesn't even have the standard or premium gig. He only has the basic for $5. But he's got the gig quantity where, depending on how many times you want it to post, it goes all the way down. But 518 reviews. Just the reviews at $5, that's $2,590. Just by posting to his Facebook account and throwing a link in a website. That is just crazy. And I want to help you guys start making money on Fiverr just by sharing links to Facebook groups. I'll give you a little sneak inside my training course. This is lesson 3. It's the first actual gig that I teach you guys how to do, because that's how I started out making money on Fiverr right when I made my account. And I made a whole separate Fiverr account and shows you guys how to set it up. And this is lesson 3, and I show you how to make a gig that looks like this. I will share your custom link to 250,000 Facebook fans. And the standard package is $550, then the premium is $1.2 million at $15. And then I recommend, if you are new with Fiverr and you don't have any reviews yet, offer 1-day delivery, because you want to offer something that'll let your account stand out from the others. So 1-day delivery is an amazing thing to offer if you're starting out. It'll help you get orders and it'll help you start making a name for yourself pretty much. I'm assuming each and every one of you guys has a Facebook account. I show you how to follow certain groups that have a whole bunch of Facebook members, and then as soon as someone orders this, you go and you post their link in as many groups as you can until you hit the 250, 550, or 1.2 million mark in which they ordered. If you guys are interested in making money by having a free Facebook account, get my Fiverr training course. It's not that much money. I've made over 2 grand on Fiverr just by making simple gigs, zero money down from me, and I was able to make over $2,000. I'll show you guys real quick. I was able to make over $2,000 just by creating simple gigs like this, which required no money of my own. So here's my main Fiverr account, and here are the earnings. It's $2,158. I've already withdrawn $1,900. There's 56 pending clearance, 69 available for withdrawal. Like, I'm still making money on this, working completely part-time. So if you guys are interested in my Fiverr training course, go and get it. It's super cheap, and I will see you on the inside if you want to start making money just by using Facebook, and a whole lot of other ways to make money on Fiverr. So that's it for this video. I hope you take action, because there is so much money to be made on Fiverr. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Boom!